Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a Microsoft Loop page. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in using your Microsoft account credentials to access your workspace. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, click on any workspace or project where the page you want to delete is located. This will open up that specific workspace and give you access to all the pages within it. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of all your pages within that workspace. This sidebar displays all the content you've created or have access to, making it easy to navigate through your Loop pages. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific page you want to remove. Once you've found the page you want to delete, hover your mouse over it. When you do this, you'll notice that a three dots icon appears next to the page name. This is your options menu for that particular page. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several options for managing your page. Look for and click on the delete option. This action will remove the page from your workspace, helping you keep your Loop environment organized and clutter-free. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Loop page, clearing up space in your workspace and removing any content you no longer need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.